So you're gonna go to school, and then by the time you're done with school, we gonna be at the new house. Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven. Welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is super exciting because I am moving out, y'all. This is the vlog. This is the actual vlog that I'm actually going to be moving out of this place and actually moving into my new house finally. I feel like I've been leading up to this moment for like 17 vlogs now. I've been talking about moving out, packing up. You've been seeing the whole process, but now I'm actually going to move out. So tonight is Sunday night. I actually just got done filming my empty house tour over at the new house, of course. I wanted to go ahead and film that before I move all my stuff in and have all the boxes stacked up, because I felt like that would just like ruin the aesthetic of the video. So I just got done filming that. Came back home. I'm about to put Ziya down for bed. Tomorrow is Monday, so she has school. So the plan is tomorrow morning Ziya will go to school. My brother, who like I said has his own moving company, is going to come here in the morning and start loading up all my stuff. And so that means that tonight is our last night in this townhome. It's our last night here, and we're going to the new house tomorrow. Are you so excited? This is the last time we're gonna sleep in this house. That's the last time you're gonna take a bath here, sleep here, because tomorrow we're going to the new house and we're not coming back over here.
No.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
It feels kind of weird. I was gonna say that, you know, time went by fast, like it doesn't feel like I've been living here that long, but it kind of does feel like I've been living here. I've been living here how long? Like 2 years-ish? I want to say about 2 years that I've lived in this townhome, which is longer than my previous two places. Because if you guys have been following me, you know that I have been moving around a lot. Like I lived in Dallas when I was first pregnant with Ziya, then I moved back to Austin, but I was in a different place than this, then I moved here. So I lived in like 3 different, technically since Ziya has existed in my tummy, she has already lived in 3 different places. So this one does feel more like home, and it does feel a little bit like more weird to actually be moving out of here. So yeah, I'm about to put Ziya down for bed. I am going to de-glam and get ready for bed, but also just make sure of any more finishing touches that I can like pack up, or you know, moving. There's always more things that you realize you need to do. So I'll probably be up for a while tonight, just making sure I'm prepared for tomorrow morning. And then we're gonna be moving out, y'all. So see y'all in the morning. So it is the morning of the move. Grammy is here, struggling with something. Oh, spackle, because I got a lot of holes in the wall from hanging stuff. Gotta patch that up. Ziya is ready for school since it's a Monday. Kind of works out that Ziya will be at school all day while we're doing this. So Grammy came to pick up Ziya, take her to school while I continue, you know, getting my stuff together. Ziya, this is your last time in here. You're not coming back. Did you know that? So you're gonna go to school, and then by the time you're done with school, we're gonna be at the new house. This is what my garage is looking like. Everything cleared off over here, and then I've just got stuff, boxes piled up over here. I'm starting to put stuff in my trunk, and then I had a whole mountain of stuff over here that was for giveaway. My mom took some of it. She's gonna take it to Goodwill for me, just whatever was able to fit in her car. For this larger stuff, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna get it to its proper donation spot, because it just is too much. And this is what the house is looking like. Stuff is just piled up. So I can't remember if this was from a comment on my video or if my mom just made this up or probably got it off of Pinterest or something, but I made this poster board with duct tape. So I had all these different colored duct tapes, and obviously I just made like a color coded little map for each room, and I labeled all of the boxes with the corresponding duct tape so that when my brother and his crew are moving the stuff into the house, he can easily look at this, look at the color of the duct tape, and put the boxes in the right room. The bungle boxes do come with labels that you can use, and I did label them, but they're kind of small and they're hard to read when you're like in a hurry. So if you can just like see the color of the duct tape real quick, I just feel like it would be easier for him to know what room to put the boxes in. All right, so it is 9 a.m. and I am already sweating. What I'm doing right now is clearing out my beauty room. I had all these bins full of makeup on these shelves in this closet, so I'm just taking the bins one by one down to my trunk because I just don't know any other better way to pack up all my makeup, and I don't trust putting it in the actual moving truck. I just feel like that's a recipe for disaster. So I'm just taking these individual bins and I'm gonna take them in my car. I'm just running up and down the stairs carrying these bins, getting a workout. I'm almost done though, just a couple more trips and hopefully all this stuff fits in my car. So this is what my trunk is looking like right now. All of my makeup bins and then all of these mystery box Monday prizes. It's not like I'm a hoarder. I feel like this is a normal amount of things. What?
Disgusting.
What's disgusting?
Chair. What's in this chair?
Oh, so they just moved my little entertainment center out the way, and look at all this stuff that Ziya was hiding behind it and underneath it. Making some progress. Can't really tell down here too much. Maybe you can tell a little bit. Maya is here helping somewhat. One of the sweet older ladies who works for my builder just called me saying she was trying to come because she knew I was moving in today. She was trying to come to the new house and bring us lunch on moving day. How sweet. She's gonna bring us some boxed lunches because she knows that we gonna be tired. I'd say we got about another hour maybe of still trying to pack up everything. Got all these bins in my bathroom, but everything is cleared out. All the cabinets are cleared out. This is cleared out. Shower is cleared out. My bed. And this is like my entire wardrobe. I just left everything on the hangers and just put trash bags over it. So this is all my clothes that they still have to grab. This is all my bedding that they have to grab. The closet is cleared out except for these things, which I just left my clothes in. So they'll just wrap these up and take them as is with everything in there. Reporting live from Raven's house. It has now busted out raining right in the middle of the move. Are we gonna make it?
In it.
I knew that was gonna happen. It just started raining hard. Pretty dang hard. Ooh, lightning. Now what?
Now, we wait a little bit. We wrap some of this stuff in here.
Do you think I have too much stuff? Mommy thinks I'm a hoarder and I have way too much stuff.
No, you have to be able to stuff.
So yeah, I guess I gotta wait for the rain to die down a little bit. I keep thinking we're almost done and we're not almost done. All my little furniture. I'm not gonna have any of the same furniture, except only thing I'm keeping for my new master bedroom is the TV. I'll have the same TV, but I'm gonna have a new bed, new nightstands, new dresser, new everything, and all of this stuff is gonna be used for the guest room. Chock full.
I lied, you do got a lot of stuff.
Once you started putting all the big furniture in there, it's like filling up fast. See you over at the house. All right, it's super echoey in here, but as you just saw, I filled up the entire, not me personally, the moving truck became completely full by my brother and his crew filling it up. I did not think that his entire truck was gonna be chock full, although he did say that he didn't think it was gonna be full either, so he didn't stack up all the stuff like as tall as it could go. So technically it's not like really full, but it's pretty full. And I've got some random little things that just kind of got left over. My car, y'all, I want y'all to see this foolishness. My car is chock full. I mean, it's to the floor, all on the seat, you see how high it's coming up through the window, and then it's the same thing in the whole back seat. I know you can't see. I can't even open the door right now because if I open the door, everything is gonna fall out. Like, that's how foolish this situation is right now. I basically put like all of my, I don't even know how to explain it, like little stuff. We ran out of boxes, so it's just like a bunch of loose little stuff. All my makeup is in the trunk. Our overnight bag, blankets, stuff that we are gonna need easy access to right away. Ziya stuff that I know she's gonna be asking for. This is the stuff that we did not have space for in the actual moving truck, but this is all gonna be donated anyway. So at some point we're gonna have to make another trip. Either, like I said, have the people come pick it up to donate it or load up the truck to go take it to donate it. I don't even know, but I'm not keeping any of this stuff, so I'm just gonna have to deal with this later. Luckily, today is not like my last day to be out of here or anything. And then, like I said, just a few little random things that I just literally did not have space for in my car. My mom did not have space in her car, and they did not have space in the moving truck. So we will be making another trip. But other than that, it is empty in here. Oh yeah, just like my cable box stuff. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that. But my bedroom is all empty. Closet, ooh, I almost forgot this piece of artwork on the wall. I need to grab that. Everything is empty. Goodbye, bathroom. It was nice knowing you. You served me well. You served me well. Remember when I did my empty house tour and my thumbnail was like this? Full circle moment. Gotta take this down. Start each day with a grateful heart. I surely will in my new house. All right, so I'm the last one leaving. I'm just going to turn off everything and lock up. Again, like I keep saying, I will be back, so I'm not leaving. This isn't like the real goodbye. But I gotta head over to the new house. My mom and Maya are already over there. They're putting down some stuff on the carpet to protect the carpet because it's raining. It's gonna be muddy. I don't want my carpet getting destroyed, so they're like putting down this plastic stuff. And then my brother is already heading there to start unloading. Now we have to go through the whole process of unloading. I didn't even think about that. I'm like, ooh, we're done. We're not done. We're only like halfway done. Literally, can y'all see the foolishness behind me? Literally, my car feels heavy. Like, it feels weird driving a car full of this much stuff. I got my little friend here. Okay, we are officially at the new house. My brother just pulled up with his truck. I still have to unload my car, but like I said, the people from my building company so kindly provided us with some boxed lunch. So I'm about to take a break and eat this lunch that they brought. My brother is trying to decide how he wants to pull his truck up because, funny story, my across the street neighbors are moving in today too, so they got a big old truck, and so the trucks are like trying to like work around each other. Wow, what are the odds that they would be moving in like directly in my way at the same time? Literally, the trucks are like, they can't like fit around each other. I think he's gonna be able to fit though. Plus there's like a lot, there's still like construction going on the street, so there's like other construction trucks, just like not that much space for all these different trucks. Where's he going? I guess he's gonna go around the other way. But this is actually my first time parking in my new garage. Wow. I think my brother's gonna pull up over to this side of the garage and they'll have a pathway going straight to the door.
Well, you have so much fun.
I need to get to work.
What? I said, it's lunchtime over? Y'all need to get to work.
I was about to stand up as soon as she started talking.
Don't look like mine was about to do nothing.
I just finished eating. Okay, so stuff is getting loaded in. This is the carpet protector. It's like saran wrap for your carpet so you can make little pathways so you don't mess up your carpet. So my mom and Maya put this down in every room. This is what the glam room is looking like right now. All my makeup is just in boxes, obviously. I don't have any, you know, built-in storage to unload it into. That'll come later. I decided to actually use my kitchen table for this area, at least for now. I think it fits that space pretty nice, so I can like put some plants on top. I'm not gonna end up keeping this coffee table like this, but this is just like temporary, my old coffee table. My old bar stools, low-key kinda match. Low-key kinda look good. I only have 2 of them, but they'll do for now. I mean, these are nice bar stools. I could buy like 2 more of them just to fill it up and just keep these low key, or I might end up completely replacing them. I'm not sure, but they look, I mean, they look kind of good. I've already got new chairs that are on their way, but these are just my old chairs. So in my master, I have this foolishness going on because all my clothes are in my closet in these drawers, so I'm not going to be using these drawers in here, but I don't have my new dresser in here yet, so this is my dresser right now. All right, so Maya is leaving work. She'll be back tomorrow. This is the current state of affairs up in here. Playroom has a crib in it because the crib actually did not fit through the doorway to get into the room. I was gonna have Ziya sleep in her crib for a little bit until I get her new bed, but since it doesn't fit, I guess that means I just need to hurry up and get her new bed. And I'm just gonna give away the crib, so that'll just be going back down into the garage. This thing used to be in her bedroom. I'm gonna use this in here now, I think. The guest room now has my bed that was from my master is gonna be in here. Me and Ziya's sleeping situations are about to be a little ratchet for a little bit. Okay, so it is about 4:30 in the afternoon. This whole ordeal started this morning at about 8 a.m. My brother just left. Finally got everything unloaded, but unloaded and unpacked are not the same thing. So there's still so much work to do, but this is what my office is looking like right now. Everything is just like temporarily placed. Like, I'm pretty much not planning to keep any of this furniture the way it is, but this is just what I'm gonna use for the time being. And I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek at what the closet situation is looking like in here. It is just full of trash bags. So I'm gonna be making a whole separate video, like I keep saying, all about the closet. I'm gonna show you guys how the custom closet turned out, and I'm going to show you guys how I organize all this stuff, how I put it away, how I decorate, and the final finished product. That'll be coming later. The playroom is kind of coming together. I'm recycling a lot of my living room furniture for in here, so I'm using that for under the TV. I'm using the couch in here. I know I wasn't the one doing the hard work of all the heavy lifting, but I'm tired and my ankles feel swollen, my feet hurt, my whole body hurts. I'm so tired. Moving is so exhausting. This is like the, who knows, probably like the 6th time I've moved in the past however many, like I feel like I've almost moved like once a year for the past like 5 years or something like that. I just feel like I've moved so much recently. So it feels good that this is going to be the last time that I move for a while. But I'm excited. I'm excited to finally be in here, finally moved in. This is the moment that I have been waiting for. I feel very like my excitement is not really showing because I'm tired, and so it's not being able to like project through my exhaustion right now. But trust me, I am very excited. I am very happy. I'm actually really looking forward to, you know, unpacking, organizing, decorating. You guys know me, you know I like to just switch things around, you know, design things. So I'm gonna have this whole empty canvas to work with. But now it's time to pick up Ziya from school. So I wonder if she even remembers that I told her that when you get picked up from school, we're gonna be at the new house. I'm excited to see her reaction of like actually realizing like we live here now. Like obviously she's seen the house already, but like explaining to her like we we live here. We're not going back to the other house. So yeah, you guys will see her reaction in the next video that I upload. I will be vlogging tomorrow, you know, starting to unpack and everything like that. So stay tuned for my next vlog. I plan on just vlogging a lot more. I know you guys have been requesting like vlog style content more than anything else, so I plan on vlogging a lot of this process. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.